Hello everyone, and welcome to what I prepped today. Our pool cover last year didn't even last the season, through winter to cover it. We bought a brand new pool cover and it was like just disintegrated by spring. So my husband said, I'm not spending that kind of money again. I bet a tarp would just work as well. So he wanted one of these Ollies heavy duty tarps, 10 mil reversible. They sell them at a good price. This 12 by 15 10 mil tarp was $20, but because I was going to Ollies, I remembered being the last time that I was at Ollies, I had told the cashier I had to hurry up and use my coupon before it expired, because they'll send you a 15% off coupon at different times of the year and 10% off based on like random times of the year based on what you spend in the store, I suppose. So the cashier had said, you don't have to hurry. We take those after they expire. I said, are you kidding? She's like, nope. So since my husband wanted these tarps, I knew I was going to Ollie's. I dug out an expired coupon out of the abyss that I call a purse. And I went into the store and I asked one of the women who work there if they do indeed take these expired coupons. And she said, oh yeah, we do. So to me, that's usually a stock up time. Now, when I go to Ollie's, if I go in that book department, I buy too much. So I actually just stayed out of the book department. I'm purging books. I had 50 on Facebook this week that I was trying to give away and only had a couple takers. And I was trying to give away winners like this. Greek Made Easy, 3rd edition, 1971. Who doesn't want to learn Greek? That's just crazy. And then this Una Aventure en Francais. Yeah, I don't speak French, but I have always had this passion for vintage books, and this one's from 1935, and it's just beautiful. So my goal was always to go ahead and sell some of these on eBay, but then my PayPal account got hacked, and I have not been able to take any of my money out of it, and that's a whole nother story. They now want my driver's license number and my marriage license, and to me, you weren't able to protect my account from being hacked, so what's your solution, PayPal? Oh, for me to give you more personal information? Nah, sorry. You can follow the law, keep my $100 for 7 years, and then send it to the state of Pennsylvania because I haven't touched the account. And then this great, so yeah, selling books on eBay is just not going to happen. Standard Handbook for Electrical Engineers. Oh my gosh, just like, look at this book. I mean, I don't know, am I crazy? And it's from 1941. I don't know, to be in such great shape and to be that old, I don't know. I feel like there are people at the stores where you would donate something like that they would not understand the value in that book, and they would just say, we're not selling that, throw that one away. So these ones, actually, I'm not just donating these and a couple more that I was willing to give to somebody who wanted them. I'm not doing it. And then I thought, when I saw this one, I'm like, wonder if Reed would like this one. So yeah, Reed, if you want this book and you're watching my video, there's the trick right there. You want this book, but I'll send it to you. I don't know. It's probably too old of stuff, to be of benefit, and things have changed. But I just think I don't know. Okay, on to what else I got. I got rope. What prepper doesn't need rope, right? This rope is polypropylene, 3/8, 100 feet. All of these were priced $10, and then I started looking around for the different colors. Some were faded, some were they were just messed up. So I'm down on the ground and I'm looking and I'm like, whoa, there's a pretty blue back there. And I pull it out and it's $4.99. So I thought, okay, you know what? For the kayaks, we didn't have ropes when we went kayaking not too long ago, back in the early August, we actually cut paracord for our kayaks to pull them with, just so, you don't get lost and you want to tie off. So I figured I would grab these ropes for that purpose. We don't need that much, but you know what? One is none, two is one. And I grabbed a paracord there. This paracord was $1.99. I'm not sure if it's as good as, better than, or garbage, but it's 50 feet times 3 millimeters. It doesn't even have a brand. It just says paracord. So I just grabbed one of those, and $1.99. That wasn't bad at all. So if it's not good for anything, I can use it to tie up plants, whatever. So now keep in mind, I had that coupon that I wanted to use, so I got an additional 15% off of all of this. Now, Ollie's is my go-to place for spices, and it was my go-to place for salt when I did that huge salt haul. And I usually get Dawn dish liquid there too, but I just have enough. I didn't need any more, and after my recent laundry detergent container failure and that bleach failure, I'm not sure how many more of these things I want stored in plastic. So I didn't get the salt there, even though they had it for the same good price, simply because the Himalayan pink salt 1 pound bag, the identical bag, is $1 at Dollar Tree, $1.99 at Ollie's. That's why it pays to know your prices. However, the best place to get Himalayan pink salt is Big Lots, because they sell a 5 pound bag for $4, or a 6 pound bag for $5. It's actually cheaper to buy a larger bag, which it usually is, but it's the same exact salt. So if I need salt, it's off to Big Lots I go. Same as Big Lots is the go-to place for coconut oil. I keep losing my place. So I did buy some spices there. I got an onion powder, 3.75 ounces, 97 cents. And of course I got 15% off. So what I pay, 85 cents. And then, yeah, I just got 3 onion powders. That was it. I didn't get any, I didn't even get the garlic powder, because I've been getting all that minced garlic at Sam's Club, which is a great deal. So we use melatonin quite a bit. My husband uses it for work, and it's not habit forming, and this is a good brand, and it's much cheaper to buy this Members Mark 260 tablets than it is to get the same type fast dissolve strawberry flavored at Walmart. So I usually pick this up at Sam's Club for $8. Well, when I saw this Members Mark melatonin at Ollie's, I started looking it up on my phone on with the Sam's Club app, and I couldn't find it, which to me tells me they are probably discontinuing it, or just totally re-changing the packaging, which means they would get rid of everything they had. But $3.99. Are you kidding me? $3.99 when a good price is $8 at Sam's Club? So I stocked up on those. I think I ended up buying 10 of those. So if you have an Ollie's and you use melatonin, go check and see if they have that for you. I then also got this Members Mark. Yeah, Sam's Club sold stuff to Ollie's. Isn't that crazy? I feel like I pay to shop there. You should super discount it to me before you super discount it to another store where I, your member, have to go get it cheaper. Not fair, but wah. Alrighty, so this says it retails for $30, even if it's only half that at $15. This is a good deal at $8. 200 soft gels, and men are supposed to take 2 a day. So I got 2 bottles of this for my husband to try, just to see, you know, he's getting up there. I mean, so am I. So we'll see how he reacts with this salt palmetto, and it's just a overall good men's health formula. What else did I get? Oh yeah, I did. I got some celery seed. Only because we're out, totally out. used the rest of it instead of natural celery in the chicken soup that I made because my husband got sick and he even had to go get checked for COVID. His work required he get checked for COVID, and he had the nasopharyngeal swab, and he swears they pulled his brain out, or, you know, portions of it, and the swab, he said, was bloody when it came out, and he said never again. He just, and then I told him, I said, I told you should call around to find some place that does saliva testing, because they're saying the saliva testing is as accurate, if not better, because of where the COVID virus is choosing to reside in your body. They don't need to pluck your brain out. But what else did we get? Yeah, all that for celery seed. I ended up making chicken soup because he didn't have COVID, but he had a terrible cold, which I don't know if you can hear it. I suffer from allergies year round anyway. That's why I always like do that annoying sound. But anyway, I am having some throat issues, and I think I started getting his cold, although my immune system is a lot better than his. Let me zoom by here. What else did I get? I have that candle weakness, so I just picked up a Yankee Candle right there, and those are $8, and I like that scent, Moonlit Night. I resisted the urge to buy 4. I didn't need that for my stock. I have a lot of candles in storage. I don't need more. I found this Keto drink, white chocolate coconut. So I decided to try that. $2.99 for 4. Expires February 21. And then I got this Vega vanilla drink, expires, well, no, Best Buy November 3rd of 2020, and 4 of those was $2.99. I texted my daughter, hey, do you want to try these? She didn't answer before I left the store with it. Otherwise, I wouldn't have bought it, but I'll put it in the fridge. She'll try it when she comes. She tried those apple and the blueberry oat drinks that I bought from Sam's Club. She didn't think she was going to like the apple, and she actually didn't prefer the blueberry. She liked the apple better. So she may try that and may like that. I also picked up 3 packages of ramen noodles. They're the same price per envelope as getting them at the Dollar Tree. They're $1.19 for 6 packs, which of noodles, which brings them to 20 cents a pack, and a 5-pack is $1 at Dollar Tree. So no difference buying them there, except that I had the 15% coupon. If you buy a lot of ramen noodles, then of course buying them by the case for anything less than 20 cents, which I think they average 17 cents when you buy a case at Sam's Club. And then I'm always about lights, flashlights. I think my very first ever video on YouTube and my channel was on flashlights. But I had bought one of these for $15 at Sam's Club. I don't know if it was this brand, but it was $10. So of course I got 15% off. So what did I pay? $7.50 at Ollies. And I didn't actually buy this for me. I bought this because it has that remote, and Nicholas moved again, and now he has his own room, and it's all set up really nice. So I really thought that this would help him. He doesn't usually sleep in his own room. You know, he sleeps by himself, but he usually likes to have somebody there with him. So I thought having the lights with the remote would make him a lot more comfortable. And then the last thing I got that's on this video did not come from Ollies. It actually came from Save-A-Lot, which I'm so sorry, which is where these noodles came from. So I didn't get them for 15% off. I got to stop hurrying through this. I try to hurry through the videos, and I still make them too long, and then I make mistakes. I don't want to do that. But I got these for $1.20 at Save-A-Lot when I stopped to buy those noodles for the chicken noodle soup. And then, because I can't walk in a store without looking around for something to add to my preps, that's why I got those. And so the other thing I thought I would try to add to the preps for $2.49 or $2.99 was this roast beef and gravy, 12 ounces from Save-A-Lot. I'd never tried this, and I have chicken and some pulled pork in cans and tuna, lots of tuna in our preps, but I don't have anything like this roast beef and gravy. So I bought one for us to taste test it, and then I will go ahead and get more if it's good, and I'll let you know if it's any good as well. So okay, that is it. That was my little haul at Ollie's and what I'm adding to my preps. Like the rope is just going to go out in the shed because if we need it, it'll be there. And then the other one will go inside the kayaks because that's where we'll be using that. And so let me know if your Ollies is having this melatonin or this Prostate Plus with a saw palmetto, or if your Sam's Club is still selling them, because I bet you they're going to be discontinued there. So, all right, everybody, that's it. Let me know what you prepped today, and as always, be blessed.